Hey guys, this is HP DESKJET 3760 3700 series, and this one is HP DESKJET 3755, and this one is HP DESKJET 3772. They are all HP DESKJET 3700 series. I received a question. Someone asked how to connect this printer to laptop with USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging, but I want to show you how you can also connect this printer. This printer, you have three options to connect this printer. The first option is for you to connect this printer via wireless network. The second option is for you to connect this printer via Wi-Fi direct. And the third option is for you to connect it using USB cable. If you go through my channels, you will see a video how to connect this printer via wireless network and also how to connect it via Wi-Fi direct. So what I want to do now is to show you how to connect this printer with laptop via USB cable. First of all, you need to switch off the Wi-Fi direct button. Switch it off, and the direct light is off, and the Wi-Fi light is also, Wi-Fi light is flashing. You need to select it as well. So the lights, direct light and the Wi-Fi light are both off. Now the next we need to do is we need to go at the back. So take your USB cable, stick the cable, the USB port, and the cables is in. Now take this cable, go to your laptop, plug it in, and it's in. You hear a noise from the laptop to show you that it's recognized. Now the next we need to do is, you need to download HP Smart App to your laptop, download it, then select open. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select add printer. It will start to search for available printer. Here we go. So you found the printer HP DESKJET 3700 series online, USB 025. Then you need to select on it. So select. Now USB detected, switch to Wi-Fi direct for more features. Recommended using Wi-Fi. You select continue with USB cable. Select continue. Now connected printing service. Select accept all. Setup complete. Let's print. So you can skip this or select print. Select print. Here we go. So this document we printed out. We connected this printer with laptop with USB cable, and from the printer here we show you the printer ready and also show you the ink level. You can print document, go to the printer setting, scan document, shortcut, printable, print photo. So this is how to connect the printer with your laptop using a USB cable, and we printed out welcome page. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from your computer to this printer using USB cable. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. So you have three options to connect this printer. If you check my videos, you will see how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi direct, wireless network, and now we connected this printer with USB cable. Now I want to show you how to print document from your computer to this printer. To print your document, you need to go to wherever you save your document. So go to your laptop settings, go to the document, or wherever you save the document you want to print out. Select the document, double click it to open. Now this is the document I want us to print. You can select Ctrl+P from the keyboard, or you select printer icon from the top, or select Control P. And when you select Control P, it gives you option for you to see the print view. First thing to do, you need to scroll down from the list to select the printer, HP DESKJET 3700 series, ready. You select on it. Now this document is 3 pages document. Now to print this document out, so you select 1 to 2, 1 to 2. And also I want us to print this double-sided. We want to print this color. Scroll down from the list to the color. And when you select color, the printer will show you the color. If you select black and white, it will change this to black and white. Now the next is I want us to print this. Scroll down, double-sided. With this printer, you can print double-sided, but you need to do this manually. You need to put the document back for you to print it. So select double-sided from the list, print on both sides. Select print on both sides, long edge. And this document, we want to print only 1 copy. So select print. And you will see this information as well. The first side of the document is printed. After that, you need to put it back inside. Now this is the document we printed out. To print the second page out, what you need to do, you need to take this document, make sure, so this welcome page need to be at the bottom. Then you go in, so that when you print the second page, all of them will be in the same level, the same size. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to select continue. So select continue. Here we go. So this is the document we printed, Vignette TV tutorial, and this is also welcome page. So all of them are in the same level. Okay, you read from the top, and also once you turn the other side, you also see the information. This is how to print document from the laptop to this printer using USB cable. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. I received a question. Someone asked how to scan document from this printer to computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and the laptop are connected either via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. So in this case, both are connected using USB cable. Now you need to stick the document you want to scan on top. The scanner for this printer is here, so you need to make sure the document is there. Now the next thing you need to do is we need to go to HP Smart App. This printer and laptop are connected via HP Smart App, and it's showing us ready. So the printer is ready, and this HP Smart App. So you need to select scan from the list. So once you stick the document you want to scan on top, then the next thing you need to do is you need to select scan. So select scan. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to select source, and it's showing us document feeder. Then you select preset, is document. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo. So from the settings and preset document, page size A4 paper, output, you select colored, resolution, the maximum is 600 dpi, you select 300 dpi for instance. Then the next thing you need to do is you select scan. And this is the document scanned. If you want to print this document out, then you select print. If you are not happy with it, you can also select delete it. You can select plus to add a second document. To take the document, put it on the scanner. Now select scan. Okay, this is the document. We scan 2 pages. If you want to save this document, then you select save and select PDF. Then select save. You decide where you want to save this document. You can select save it in the documents and select save. It will tell you your file has been saved. Now, if you want to print this document out, you select print. You wait for the printer to be ready. Now you select print. You scroll from the list and select the correct printer. Select portrait, select photo paper. Now scroll down full page, and the next is 1 page for photo. You can also select more settings. More setting, then you scroll down, select A4 paper. You select actual size, A4 paper, actual size. You select 100%. The next thing you need to do is quality. You select 600 or 300 or 1200 dpi. Then you select print. So now we're going to print this document full page. Now this is the first one. Then go back in. Then put the document back inside for you to print the second document on the back. So select continue. This is the document you printed out. Welcome. Thank you very much. This is how to scan your document from HP DESKJET 3700 series to your laptop, and also print this document out double-sided. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.